Time for some Wednesday birthdays in the 4 states, and we're going to kick off in Parsons with Marconi Scott Adamson, celebrating birthday number 5 and a great Buzz Lightyear costume. Sorry, Buzz Lightyear. Where did I get Buzz Year? It's been, whatever. But that's a fantastic outfit there, Marconi. Very happy birthday to you.
Pretty cool. And Maddie York is celebrating birthday number 9 this year. This pretty girl is in Weir, Kansas.
And we've got ourselves Charisma Little celebrating birthday number 9 in Joplin. Happy birthday, Charisma.
I like that name. Abby West is celebrating birthday number 18. Welcome to adulthood, Abby, in Webb City.
And Tressa Reed in McCune celebrating a birthday today. Very happy birthday to you, Tressa.
And we got the Brunez twins, Yvette and Yvonne, are celebrating birthday number 56 this year, and I love it. Look at those throwback bike pictures.
We've also got Bob Reynolds, better known as the Hillbilly, celebrating birthday number 79 in Chanute. Very happy birthday to you, Bob.
Looking good in purple there. And Oren Burris is celebrating birthday number 83 this year out in Nevada, Missouri. This is a birthday wish coming from your daughter, Jeannie, and she's in the picture there with you.
Our list goes on with Ashley Ohm celebrating birthday number 44 in McCune. Happy birthday, Ashley.
And Matthew Bacon celebrating another year wiser in Pittsburgh.
Well, let's keep the celebrations coming for the rest of the week. How can they help us celebrate all week long, every week?
All they have to do is send their birthday information to this simple email. Don't forget the S on it, birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, when you're on our website checking out all the cool stuff that's over there, make sure you take time to check out the coolest feature of all. It's the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get a birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.